In this video I'll show you how to replace the sun visor on your Nissan Sentra from 2013 to 2019. So in case it's floppy and it doesn't work, the first thing we need to remove this cap that is hiding the screws under it. And to remove it you need a tool like this one, but honestly just get a flathead screwdriver. It does the job pretty well, and you're gonna jam it right in the small crack over there, and you're gonna pry it gently like this until the cap goes out. Then remove it, and here we have two Phillips head screws. So you're gonna take your screwdriver and remove them like this, and then now all it's left to do is to unclip it from this side, and then simply by wiggling it slightly it will fall down by itself. Now you're gonna take your new sun visor and you're gonna place it this way first, and then position it well like this, and we'll have to simply reinsert the screws there and clip back the cap over it, and that's it, you're done.